Dreaming of that new gadget or essential appliance from Best Buy, but worried about the upfront cost? Get ready to shop smarter because today, we're diving into how to use Affirm to make your dream purchases a reality. First things first, head over to Best.com and find the item you've been coveting, whether it's a top-tier laptop, a sleek new refrigerator, or the latest gaming console. Simply add it to your cart. When you're ready to check out, look for the payment options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see the option to pay with Affirm. Click on Pay with Affirm. This will take you to a quick and easy application process. Affirm will ask for a few pieces of information to determine your eligibility and the payment plan that works best for you. Don't worry. It's a straightforward process and usually only takes a moment. Once your application is approved, Affirm will present you with flexible payment options. You'll be able to see the total cost, the down payment required, and the monthly installments, along with the interest rate if applicable. Review these options carefully to choose the plan that best fits your budget. You'll then select your preferred payment method for your installments. Affirm is designed to be transparent, so you'll know exactly what you owe and when. After confirming your Affirm payment plan, complete your Best Buy purchase. Congratulations! You've just made your purchase more manageable and can now enjoy your new items without the stress of a large, immediate payment. From the latest tech to essential home upgrades, Affirm at Best Buy empowers you to get what you want, when you want it. With payment plans that work for you, shop smart, pay smart.